I love this thing. This looks amazing. 2022 Bronco Raptor. I'm a Raptor owner, the F-150 Raptor. But they can Raptor anything as far as I'm concerned. Raptor.
Just put that sticker on it.
Raptor it up because it just means typically
just the best of the best. Right?
Yeah,
in terms of performance.
I mean, you're going to have more off-road capability. You're going to have more ground clearance. You're going to have way more aggressive tires, obviously, shocks, all that stuff.
They have is it the skid plate or something?
Yeah. You got the plate. They really want you to off-road in this thing. Look at it with the doors off. I mean, that is
very cool.
It's very Jeep-like, but it almost looks even more capable than a Jeep. And look at the tires and the wheels look exactly the same as on my vehicle right now on the F-150. I don't know the specs, but if that's the case, then this thing's going to be able to go a lot of places. I mean, I'm sure it can. It's this for a lot of people, I think, is maybe even bigger better than the truck because you have the shorter wheelbase, presumably. So you're even going to be able to go more places than the Raptor. How much power does it have? Oh, let's see here. You got to break it down for me because I saw the image, but I didn't read about it. Here's the big news. The 2022 Raptor comes one way with 4 doors, a removable hardtop, 37-inch tires, and a version of a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 found in the Explorer ST. And Ford promises it will deliver more than 400 horsepower. Incredible. Yeah, it's fine. It's got everything. Oh, wait. Go back up just a little bit. Raptor treatment made 9.8 inches wider than the regular model. That probably has to do with the flares on the side. And 13.1 inches of ground clearance riding on BF Goodrich 37-inch KO2 all-terrain tires. Amazing. Yeah. We'll take it, Will.
What color would you get?
Oh, man. Well, of course, they got to show it off in that flashy orange. I would have to see what my options are.
Okay.
I will have to see what my options are. I don't think I would do something that flashy, but maybe like some type of flat gray or something like that.
Okay.
But, cool. I mean, that's a fun $70,000 to start, right, as well. Did I say that already? That's a key. It's going to be
70,000.
Yeah, it's going to be less money than if you get the pickup truck version of the Raptor. I think they do a Ford Ranger Raptor as well in certain parts of the world, but this one might be the coolest of all of them. I'll probably still just get the next version of the truck myself, but because just it's a little bit more space.
And it's on sale summer 2022.
Very cool.